Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this leather hole punch that's designed to make holes in belts, purses, and other things that you might need to be able to press a hole in. Just to kind of give you guys some background on why I bought this. I got this belt, this really cool belt that my kids and my wife got for me for Father's Day. So on the front, it has Dad, and on the back, it's got an inscription. I don't know if you guys can read that, but it's really cool. So it says, "Dear Dad, even when we're not close by, we want you to know we love you and appreciate you. We hope every time you wear this belt, it reminds you of how much we love you." And I thought that was a really nice Father's Day gift. It's a really nice belt. It's high quality. The only problem is it's a little bit big for me. At the time, it would have fit, but I've been trying to lose a little weight. As it stood, it kind of had me on this last hole right there, okay? That last hole right there is where it was. And that left things a little bit loose and my pants were falling down. So I said, I really like the belt, don't want to get rid of it, but I need to just punch a couple of holes in it so that I could tighten it up and it still looked nice. So I said, well, let me go on Amazon and see if I can find a hole punch, and this is what I found. And it really does a good job. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. And to help our channel grow, please consider clicking on the subscribe, the like, and the notification buttons below. And if you'd like to get a price for the item you're looking at, I have included the link in the description below, so please be sure to check that out. Now back to the video. So I made one hole. Now the holes that were in this belt are a little bit bigger than the hole that it gave me, but the hole that I was able to punch with the tool was still large enough for the belt, I don't know what they call this, eye or whatever, to go in the hole that I made. So how it works, it's real simple. In a belt, you're just going to basically align, try to figure out, okay, what's the spacing approximately? I mean, I guess you could measure it with a measuring tape. I didn't need it to be that precise. So what I did was I went on the tool, and this is adjustable. So each of these hole punches are different sizes just depending on what size you need. I needed the largest one. What I did was I went in, got the hole punch. You can turn this like that. Okay, so I just turned it to the largest size, which is right there. And then I just kind of aligned it. So what I did was I just kind of approximately looked at, okay, it's about an inch. And then I lined it up kind of like that. And again, I'm kind of eyeballing this just to kind of see about where I want to put it. And once I've kind of got it where I want it, you just press like that. It punches the hole in. And then you just kind of work it back and forth, just like that, along that little rod. And then let it go, pull it out, and boom, there's your hole. It's nice and neat. It punches really well. This is a thick belt, so it didn't take a whole lot of effort. If you're not as strong, you might have to use two hands to kind of squeeze it, but it punches right through. Now, my question was, okay, as I do this, you can see the little leather piece that it punched inside of there. And I was wondering, how does that come out? But on the other side, I don't know if you can see this, it's hollow. So the more you use it, my guess is that it's going to push those pieces out of this side over time. I don't know, I mean, you could probably take a pin or some kind of a push tool and push them through, but really, it didn't have, I used it once before and there was another piece there and it was just as easy to punch that second hole. So again, I'm assuming it's designed to go all the way through and out the other side. So there you have it, guys. This is a hole punch tool, again, that you could use for belts. You could use for any kind of a strap, like on a bag or a purse. I've only used it on leather, so I don't know how it works with anything else, but I would think it would work just as well. Overall, I think it does a good job. Oh, it has a little locking mechanism right there too. Allows it to close up and stay shut. This was a great tool. It was a great value, and I would definitely recommend it. So I hope you found this review to be helpful, and until next time, I'll catch you on the next one.